Hi, fourth graders. It's Mrs. Scannell. I'm just going to do an overview of what we're going to be doing for our project, our road trip project. So as you know, we have created advertisements for different cities, and each city is in a different region. Now, we've been looking at different regions of California. So the first thing we're doing is we're going to plan our road trip. So right here, you need to pick 4 cities, each in a different region. So if you notice, I chose Independence, that's in the desert region. I chose Santa Barbara, that's in the coastal region. I chose Fresno, that's in Central Valley region. And Truckee is in the mountain region. So you need to have 1 city from each region. Then the second step is you're going to figure out how many miles is it from Diamond Bar to Independence. So let me show you real quick how to figure that out. I'm going to share my screen. All right. So to figure out how far it is for each destination is you're going to go to Google Maps. You're going to type in Diamond Bar. Now, when you type in Diamond Bar, this will show up, and Diamond Bar will be on the very bottom. So what you're going to do, on this side, there's these arrows, one going up and one going down. If you click that, or if you take Diamond Bar, you can drag it up to the top, and you put in your second city. So as you remember, I clicked, I had Independence, and then my second city was Santa Barbara. Well, first of all, Diamond Bar and then Independence, sorry. And down below, it has the mileage. So if I took the 395, it's 227 miles. So I'm going to go ahead on my sheet. I'm going to select right here where it says miles. I'm going to say 227 right here in this little box. All right. Now for the second part, I want to know how far it is from Independence to Santa Barbara, because that's my second city. So again, I'm going to need to make sure that I select those arrows going up and down so that Independence is on the top. And then I'm going to, on the bottom, I'm going to type in Santa Barbara. When I do that, it tells me how far it is from Independence to Santa Barbara. So if I look down, I see it's 280 miles. So again, I'm going to go right here for number 2. I'm going to write 280 in this box. Okay, so now you understand you're going to keep doing that. You're going to select the arrows, and then so Santa Barbara will be on the top, and then you're going to put the name of your city. So for mine, I would type in Santa Barbara would be on the top, and then I would type Fresno, and then it would tell me how many miles, and then I would keep adding the miles. Okay, that's the first step. Now the second step is you have to figure out the latitude and the longitude. So you have a sheet like this, and you need to mark on the sheet where these cities are. So I have Independence, Santa Barbara, Fresno, Truckee, but I don't know where these are on this map. So I have to figure out the latitude and the longitude. Now I've created a video for you on how to figure out the latitude and longitude. So you are going to use Google Maps, and you're going to type in the name of your city and drop a pin, and then it'll give you the latitude and longitude. If you're still trying to figure this out, go ahead and watch the video for latitude and longitude. All right, that's step number 2. All right, the next one is you have several pages that look like this. So you're going to put in your first destination. So for this example, I put in Independence. So I would write here, I would write Independence, and then I would say on my first day, I'm going to Independence. And then what region it is, you need to make sure and put which region it's in. So Independence would be in the desert region. And then the miles I already wrote down, so you can write the miles right here. So miles traveled. And I wrote 227 on my planning sheet, so I'm going to write 227. Then I'm going to calculate the cost of gas. Now, if you're having trouble calculating the cost of gas, Again, there's a video on how to calculate the cost of gas. Just go ahead and stop now and you can go watch that video and come back. So if I've calculated the cost of gas, I'm going to enter in all the activities that I want to do. So I'm going to go look up Independence, and I'm going to figure out what kind of things can I do in Independence. Now I can use the advertisements and see what people have put at different activities. Some things might be free, some things might cost money. So you're going to type in, I'm going to the movie theater and it costs $15. I want to go out to eat. So I'm going to write what my food is and the cost of food. So for each city, you get to plan whatever you want to do. And remember, we are trying to stick in the budget. So after you've calculated the cost of gas and all your activities, your daily total, that's how much it costs you to visit that city. And then after you've added this city, and then you're going to have another city, your second city that you're visiting, you're going to have to add the cost of city 1 plus the cost of the second city, and you're going to put that right here. So what is your total, your running balance? So your total from Independence plus your total of Santa Barbara, you're going to add those numbers together and get the total so far. And you're also going to keep a total of how many miles have you traveled. So that means you're going to have to add the first city plus the second city is going to give you the total miles traveled. Hopefully that helps.